Victor kicks Rolf in the head again.
My turn!
Seems an air bubble has lodged itself.
Come here, I'll get rid of him.
Oh,
There, they're gone.
Hiccups have left the building, Eddie!
Strong hiccups.
Explode!
Ed, you idiot, this ain't good.
water! I need water!
You're doing it all wrong. You're supposed to drink it upside down.
Let's scare him, Eddie!
I am a zombie and I will malice you with a sword!
Malice me with a shoe horn? Diaphragm Eddie